I will demonstrate monkeys and other few animals which do not have many of the internal organs we all have. By initiating them into superconscious breakthrough, they will grow these organs, and I will establish it, prove it through a scientific medical tests and researches. I am declaring after testing this software yesterday. Yesterday actually I casually tested this software. It was perfectly working. It was perfectly working. That is the reason I am claiming now. Understand? Let this be on record. Within a year I will establish this. I will develop a proper phonetic, linguistic capable vocal cord for monkeys. Phonetic, linguistic capable vocal cord for lions and tigers. We are going to have bulls and cows which will talk to you very clearly, legitimately in Sanskrit and Tamil. Understand? It is going to be a large scale superconscious zoo laboratory where many of the animals have extraordinary possibilities, still they have not lost it. Like a cat can see in the darkness. Those capabilities plus their third eye awakened, they will evolve one of the best eyes and retinas. Understand? Those eyes can be transplanted